Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing a fire alarm system test. So over here we have our detector that we'll be testing today, and don't do this unless you're entirely desperate, but I don't have any smoke spray on me. So let's see if this triggered it. Okay, we're not seeming to be triggered by anything. Try a little bit more. Still nothing. So £200, see what's happened. Okay, so I've done an auto learn, and when it was on the other detector, which is just around here, up there, it's not really detecting anything. But around here, it has. And it is working, as you can hear. The alarm is going off and the light is on. I think I've worked out the reason why the detector wasn't actually being detected, and that was due to this card here. I haven't actually given the detector an address, and so that's what I'm going to do now, and then put the card back in, put the detector back on, and then see if it detects it. 1 is out, 2 is out. Okay, let's give it one more go. And it works!
If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and comment.